Hi everyone! Welcome back to another sewing tutorial. Today we're making an elegant shirt top. Follow these easy steps and let's create something amazing together. Before we start, gather your supplies: the pattern, fabric, interfacing, matching thread, and buttons. Make sure everything is prepped and ready. Start by cutting out the pattern pieces from your fabric. Use a tracing wheel or chalk to transfer any markings onto your fabric, such as notches, darts, or alignment points. Finally, make sure all your cut pieces are organized and ready for sewing. Preparation is the key to a smooth sewing process. Folding them into a 3/4 inch double fold for a neat finish. Next, sew the back bar tack. And give it a good press to keep it tidy. Place one front shoulder piece on top of the back piece. Now, roll the body of the back piece, take the other front shoulder piece and wrap it over the rolled fabric, aligning its edge with the first piece and the back piece. Sew along the pinned shoulder seam, making sure to catch all the layers. Once done, carefully pull the rolled fabric through the opening to turn it right side out. Press the collar pieces. Don't forget to shape the collar points before turning it out. Turn them right side out. And press them flat for a smooth appearance. Now, make the front placket by folding 1/2 inch trimming the edges and flipping it right side out. And sew a 1-inch line on both sides. Press it flat. Attach the outer collar. Trim the excess. And fold the inner collar by 1/2 inch. Press it flat. Sew a 1/8 inch line and your collar is complete. Press and shape the sleeve openings. Stitch the sleeve openings for both sides. Cut the shape. Repeat the process on the other side. Align the sleeves and stitch them in place. Finish the edges with an overlock stitch. Press the seams open for a clean finish. Attach cuff pieces. Tuck in the edges and sew them neatly to finish the cuffs. Turn them out. Repeat the process on the other side. And give them a good press. Tuck in the edges and sew them neatly to finish the cuffs. Roll the bottom edge into a 1/4 inch double fold and stitch it down for a clean and durable hem. Press it to set the fabric. Sew your label in place to give your garment a professional touch. Mark the buttonhole placement and sew the buttonholes. Cut open the sewn buttonholes. Then, sew on the buttons by hand, 5 for the front and a pair for each cuff. And that's it. You've completed your own shirt top. Remember to experiment with different fabrics and buttons to make it uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing projects. Happy sewing and see you next time.